think what makes NAPA a place where people genuinely enjoy working is that it's a relaxed and an open working environment, and people can voice their opinions freely.
What makes my work meaningful? Firstly, the NAPA products we are working with. We can really add safety with our work, so that's valuable and meaningful. The second thing is people, both colleagues, Naparians, and then also customers.
Meeting our customers, it's definitely a high point in my role. And of course, understanding also different cultures. Hardest point of designing a software that is used internationally is that how to design, for example, a feature that is workable in Europe as well as in Asia. I enjoy working here. It's as simple as that.